I'm going to take a movie.
What?
Mama?
Why are you
talking to you? Aren't you going to talk anymore? No more talking? Oh yeah? I think she's getting mad at me. She's like, I do not want to be here, and I'm going to throw these all over the place. First I'll eat one. And I'll throw the rest on the floor. Oh, don't choke. Do you want to drink water?
Drink water.
What do you say? Do you want to drink water?
But I want to drink water. Let's go here.
Okay. Say goodbye, Ambrose.
Goodbye, Ambrose.